In today's video, we are going to see how to split the data and bring the name, age, and gender to the respective columns. Consider that you have a column which contains all the information in one cell, right? So let's say name, age, and gender. And you have to split the name in the name column and then in the age column and then gender. So if we do it this way, then it will take a lot of time. Now, if you want to do it in faster manner, in that case, what we can do is we can use equals to, and then we will have to use text split function. Here you have to specify the cell and then put a comma. Here we need to specify column delimiter. So as you can see that all the data is having comma. So I'll put comma in double quotes and then I will close the bracket and then I will hit enter. You can see that the data is split in 3 columns having the name, age, and gender. Now, if you want to apply this formula to the remaining rows, what you can do is you can just select and drag it to the remaining rows. And here you can see that your data is splitted successfully. But one thing that you notice here is that in the backend, you have the formula, right? So if you want to remove the formula, you can just select all this data and then press Ctrl C, copy the data, and then you need to press Alt S and then press enter. You can see here that the formula is removed from the backend of each cell. Now you can just press escape key to remove the circle. So this is how you can split the data and bring those information in respective columns. Please like this video and subscribe the channel.